Hello, welcome to the class. I am Surjit Kumar, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Suranusi, Jalandhar. Today we are learning something about the behavior of the child in two most important situations from our first lesson, The Lost Child, from the book Movement. First lesson, The Lost Child, written by great Indian English writer Mulk Raj Anand. Try to know something about the author. Mulk Raj Anand is one of the celebrated Indian writer in English. The story The Lost Child is one of his most popular stories. This story makes a deep study of child psychology. Mulk Raj Anand was born on 12 December 1905 and died on 28th September 2004. He was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer caste in traditional Indian society. One of the pioneers of Anglo-Indian fiction, he, together with R.K. Narayan, Ahmad Ali and Raja Rao, was one of the first Indian-based writer in English to gain an international readership. Anand is admired for his novels and short stories, which have acquired the status of classics of the modern Indian English literature. Before you read the lesson, let us get some introduction about the summary of the lesson. A child looks at the world with wide eyes. He is attracted towards most of the things he comes across in daily life. The child wants to possess all things that he is attracted to, but often the parents are not able to fulfill the wishes of the child. This may be due to two reasons. Either they are not able to afford it, or they feel that a particular thing is not good for the child. The child may not understand this and may even feel angry, but the child understands the worth of his parents in their absence. When the child is separated from the parents, all charm in life disappear. All things have attracted only when the parents are with the child. Now let us come to the summary and important points of the lesson. Now, summary and some important points of the lesson. The Lost Child. You know, it was the spring season. People were going in large number to the fair of spring. A child was going to the fair along with his parents. He was very happy and had great excitement. He was attracted toward so many lovely things found there. His parents were poor. The child saw a toy shop. He wanted to buy a toy, but his father looked at him in anger. The child understood. He then saw dragonflies. The boy was charmed by little insects and worms. He collected flowers' petals. He saw a sweet meat shop. He wanted to eat burfi. Then a flower seller attracted him. He wanted to have a flower garland. Then he saw a balloon seller. He wanted to have a balloon. Then he saw a roundabout. He wanted to have a ride on it. So, whatever he looks at, he wanted that. But he had been lost by then. Dear student, when we see the child was in the midst of the fair, many things charmed him. He wanted all the things that he looked at, but he knew that his parents won't buy him any of those things. He wanted to listen to the snake charmer's music. He went further. He looked at various things. In the end, he came to a roundabout, as we have already discussed. Men, women, and children were riding in it. They were enjoying the ride. They were laughing and merrymaking. He wanted a ride in the roundabout. He asked his parents that he wanted a ride in that, but he did not get any response. When he looked back, he found his parents were not there. He had been lost. Dear students, when the child, we see when the child was with his parents, he was very happy. He was jumping, he was running, he wanted all the things. On the way, he was collecting flower petals. Then he was also running behind the dragonflies. Then he also wanted to eat his favorite sweet, that is, barfi. He also wanted the garland of gulmohar. Then he saw the various colors of balloon and wanted a balloon also. Then he also wanted to hear the sweet music of the flute of the snake charmer. Then he also wanted to enjoy the roundabout like other people. But when he looked back, his parents were not there. He had been lost. After losing his parents, the child was behaving in a different manner. We are discussing about the two situations. The one situation when the child was with his parents, and the other completely different situation when the child had been lost. He was behaving in different manner. When he had been lost, he realized it. He called his mother, then his father. He started crying. He lost in everything. He ran here and there in search of his parents. He started crying with a shrill voice. His yellow turban became loose. He perspired greatly. His wet clothes became muddy. Then he ran towards the temple, where the crowd was very thick. He could have been trampled under the feet of the people. But a kind hearted man saved him. The man tried to soothe him. He took him to the roundabout. Then he requested the child to enjoy the roundabout. Then, for making the child to keep quiet, he carried him to the snake charmer. He allowed him to have enjoy the sweet music of the flute. Then he carried him to the flower seller, and then to the sweet meat shop and toy shop. The man was ready to buy the toys and his favorite sweet barfi from the shop. But the child went on crying. He started crying with a shrill voice again. He went on crying and crying. He wanted only his parents. Now, dear students, we come to know with the behavior of the child the pious relationship between parents and children is valueless. It is an umbrella of security for the children and is everything for them. The joy and happiness of the children are ensured by the protection of parents. But if children lose their parents, a dark world falls before them. This is beautifully brought about in The Lost Child. Now let us see what have we learned from the lesson. You know, children are the beauty of our house. Without them, the picture of our house is incomplete. They are the future of our house. While rearing them, parents have to take every care. There is no limits to the demands of the children. Good parents always try to fulfill them as far as possible. Children like to visit fairs very much. They want to enjoy things and go on a roundabout. When parents take their children to fair, they have to take every care of them. Otherwise, their children may get lost in the fair. If children are attracted by any snake charmer or some beautiful scenes in the fair, they should not allow their children to drift away. Instead, they should always hold the hands tightly in the fair. Questions for practice. Dear students, we come to know the two different situations where the child was with his parents and enjoying a lot. In another situation, when the child had been lost, he went on crying and crying. He lost interest in everything. So, from this part of the story, some value based questions are there for practice. These questions are very important. So, first question is, describe what attracted the child on his way to fair. Second question is, how the child separated from his parents. Question number third, describe how the child behaved after he was separated from his parents. Question number 4, draw the character sketch of the lost child. Last question is, draw the character sketch of the unknown kind man. Thank you for watching this video from the lesson The Lost Child. Thank you and have a nice day.